A way out. Jack, B-Town, Pack, Doge, ay. I know you know. Way out. All these hoes searching for a way out. Hey, way out. All these hoes searching for a way. I heard you been looking for me, but every bitch I ever had wasn't nothing to me. I made them feel like they were son to me. In the craze with my niggas riding around with fully. In the game, whatever direction it pulled me. Moving cane, expecting a check and a jewelry. I like the same shit they write for movies. The Great Lion, higher than Orion. Getting meals from the skills I'm applying. They know the mob kills, enemies still hiding. But fuck niggas if you're not sliding. Every nigga that I'm riding with hit your ass with lightning. But fuck a bitch who still deciding, yo. Can't make up a mind for you. Stay in pocket cause my partner's gon' remind you too. Smoking straight ganja while we ride to this designer song. But you can't remember whose side you on. Lord, let it down, I'ma buy it if I try it on. Remember Allah, making dua while I'm flying home. We got a problem cause we never leave our styrofoam. My niggas say out. Hustling cause we trying to find a way out. We bitches way out. Lost of mind trying to find a way out. My niggas stay out.
Stay out late, nigga.
Hoping for a way out. You bitches way
Fresh
out.
off the bricks up.
Lost of mind trying to find a way out.
Woke up to find out Suge had a heart attack, and she didn't make it. Got me high off this party pack. Talk about what you got in your house until we running that. All these bitches on my line, I'm maxing where the money at. The dirt I did might say I'm scum of the earth. Loyal to my niggas, so I'm giving back to the turf. Whatever to keep them safe. Copping guns by the crate. Already ran out the snakes. Pain I don't show on my face. Stressing bitches out. Wanna be the only one of my life. I don't know what you been smoking. I never make you my wife. Rob the plug cause he start playing too much with the price. Lil nigga got smacked trying to gamble with fake dice. Like the shopping network, I charge for package and handling. Cross the nigga that put me on, I walk you down with my cannon. Stepped it up a notch. Fiends lining up when I hit the block. You couldn't sell a zip a day with them soda rocks.
My niggas stay out. Hustling cause we trying to find a way out. We bitches way out.